Hello and welcome back to Tamara's Garden. In today's video, I will be sharing with you some shade-loving plants. These plants I have grown outdoors in my garden and they are growing well. So I will share with you some of the plants that you can grow indoors and outdoors both. But I have put them outdoors and growing so well in the shade. So let's get into the video. So the first plant is this Chinese evergreen plants. Now here I have them in my garden. So there are many varieties of Chinese evergreen plants. So you can grow them in the shady corner in your garden. Make sure once you bring them from a nursery to keep them in a semi-shade or a partial to medium sunlight area. So that is very important. So this is one of the plants that you must keep in the shady corner. These are shade-loving plants. This pink aglaonema, also one of the shade-loving plants, aglaonema varieties. And this plant is also in the corner. Now I have to do a repotting this because of overwatering. My plant roots were dying actually. So somehow it survived. So Chinese evergreen plants and also this aglaonema variety you'll have to keep in the shade. Next comes these beautiful spider plants. Spider plants also grows well in the semi-shade, not in the bright direct sunlight area. So once you bring a plant from a nursery, make sure you put them in the shady corner in your garden. If you're growing them indoors, there won't be any problem. But when you put them outdoors, see that you put it in a corner where they are covered or else with the other plants so that they get a shade. So this is another plant which loves growing in the shady area. Money pothos plants are also shade-loving plants. You can grow them indoors and outdoors both. But once you put them in outdoors, see that they are in the shady corner. So these are also shade-loving plants. This is marble queen pothos. Erica palm plants. They also loves to grow in the shade, not in the bright direct sunlight area. Erica palm plant at my entrance and it's growing well. Only thing is make sure that's in the shade or else you will have to shift them to a place where they get the partial to medium sunlight. These are my peace lily plants. It's flowering. They also loves the shade. Look at these. These are all snail bites. There are a lot of snails in the garden these days. So these plants grow well in the shade. Chinese money tree. I got this down online and I really love the shape of the leaves. And this plant also grows really well in the partial to medium sunlight area. Make sure to give it the shade that it needs, not the bright direct sunlight area. Lucky bamboo plants grow inside your home. And also this is another plant which you can grow outdoors in the shady corner. Arrowhead plants or the syngonium. They grow really well in the shade. My plant is going on my parapet wall. Gold dust plant, another plant which grows well in the shade. You can grow them from stems. It's very beautiful and variegated. Very attractive plant. Philodendron plants. This is golden philodendron. Grows well in outside, but in the shade.